How to fix DBS app not working. If the DBS app isn't working, there could be various reasons for this. Now, first thing, you can start by checking your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try switching to cellular data or vice versa. If you're using proxy or any sort of other settings, make sure to disable that as well. Now, once you've done that, what you can do is, if you're using the DBS Bank on Android, long press the DBS Bank icon, tap on the I information icon to come to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. Then you can go to storage, clear the cache files and clear the data. Remember, clearing the data will log you out of your account as it's going to reset the app data, so you'll likely have to log in again. Go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for the DBS Digibank app and check if it has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.